let's talk about and maybe do a couple of the sample problems in section 5.7. First of all, I've asked you to do number 19 in the you should be able to do problems like section. Looking at number 19, it says a worker is promised a bonus if he can increase his production by 2 units a day every day for a period of 30 days. If on day 0 he produces 170 units, how many units must be produced on day 30 to qualify for the bonus? So he needs to increase the productivity by 2 units every day. So we're changing by 2. So if you make 170 on the first day, then the next day you have to make 172, the next day 174. Is this an arithmetic or a geometric sequence? Well, since we're adding the same number each time, this is arithmetic, and you should be able to use the explicit formula to quickly get to the answer for this problem. I'm not going to do it because you have the answer for this one in the back of the book, and it's one that you should try. Let's take a look at a different one. How about number 20? A runner targets herself to improve her time on a certain course by 3 seconds a day. If on day 0 she runs the course in 3 minutes, how fast must she run it on day 14 to stay on target? Well, it might be easier to talk about this in seconds. So 3 minutes is times 60 is going to be 180 seconds. So we know the time on day 0 is going to be 180 seconds. So day 1, she's trying to shave off 3 seconds off of that, so it's supposed to go down to 177 seconds. Well, we don't want to be subtracting 3, subtracting 3, subtracting 3, and doing that 14 times. So we use our explicit formula of taking 180 and subtracting 3 times the number of days, which is 14, which makes this go down by 42 seconds. So her goal, shaving off 3 seconds a day, is going to make it go down to 138 seconds. Now, of course, this is a word problem in a textbook. There's no way she could continue this. I mean, after a few weeks, she'd be running it in a negative amount of time. So I think we need to get a little better model for this one. But this is a good example of another arithmetic problem, but it's one in which a value is going down.